Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so I needed some retail therapy. Truth be told, I just needed some retail therapy. I've been looking at this bag, y'all, for a minute. It comes in 2 colors. So the bag that I got, this is the MCM Munchen Tote in small. So y'all, this bag comes in cognac and black. I really considered getting the black, but I think I might still get the Marc Jacobs tote in black, and then I didn't need 2 small black totes. So if I can get everything off. Alright, this is the bag that I got, and already, y'all, it's not stuffed properly, and I don't know, I'm really finna have to inspect this bag, because why is this not stuffed? I mean, it's factory wrapped and everything. It's just not stuffed, and so this, like I said, this is a crossbody bag. It does come with a detachable and adjustable strap. It has the gold, can y'all see? It has the gold hardware on here. Come on. Okay. Goodness gracious. Okay. So here is a close-up of the bag. You see how it's like, creased right there? That's really, really doing something to me, because it's really not stuffed. Like, this is how it is. But here's the other side. The sides. Here's the other side. And it does come with 4 feet on the bottom. This is really just like, these are almost deflated. And it comes with, there was a silicone pack, and it comes with the dust bag. That crease is really bothering me, like for real, for real. I don't know, I might return this and order another one, because it's bothering me. Anyway. So this is how it looks on the inside. It just has a big slip pocket right here. And this is like suede inside. It's fancy. It has a zipper compartment right here. And it has the gold plate right there. So to close this bag, it just comes with the little, with this hook right here, and you just attach it, and that's how you close the bag. So that's how it looks when it's closed. But I think that that's cool. It's not a big bag, so just anybody can just stick their hands in. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you got it hooked like this. I'm gonna get y'all some dimensions and stuff in a moment. Another one of those silicone packs. What do y'all think of this? This is really grinding my gears. But what do we think of this bag? I think it's so cute. It's big enough for me. I thought it was gonna be like my Marc Jacobs tote, but no, it's different. It's different. And I do have the larger, the medium size tote by MCM, but this is different. This is more structured, as you can see. I like it. This is, let me get y'all some details on this. Okay. All right, you guys. So this bag is 7.5 inches in length, 9.4 inches in width, and 4.3 inches in depth over here. The strap is 38 to 44 inches. It has a 2.75 inch handle drop right here. The removable adjustable leather strap, yes. The leather top handles. The hook clasp closure, yes. Interior slip pocket and zip pocket. Protective metal feet. Napa leather trim. Okay. Vistos monogram coated canvas. So the plate in here is the 24 karat gold plate. It has microfiber lining with suede finish lining. I really like this. I really like this. So what do we think, y'all? Do you think that if I stuff this, I can get this out? Or should I just return it and get another one? I really don't want to go through all of that. I will, but I really don't want to go through all of that. I love this. I love this. Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. So as you can see, it's different from my medium-sized tote. I love this bag, y'all. I really do. I think MCM is so, like, it's understated. You know what I'm saying? Everybody just wanted the Louis. Everybody wanted the Louis. Now everybody's really jumping off the Never Full train. I think MCM is just different. Okay? But this is also, let me move this. It is also not the same as my other love, my Marc Jacobs. Marc is just a little bit bigger. Not by much, but you can see right there, it's just a little bit bigger and a little bit taller. So, I love this. I'm going to try to stuff it, y'all. I'm going to try to stuff it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to sit with this for probably about 3 days. Yeah. Give us 3 days, and if this crease does not come out, or if I'm just not happy, I will just make the drive and go and exchange it out. That's what I will do. So, yeah, what do we think, y'all? Let me know. This bag is $850 US dollars, honey. You know, sometimes you just need a little retail therapy. You know what I'm saying? Just sometimes it's all you need. So, tell me what we think of this bag. Let me know down in the comments. Y'all, hold on. Let me try on this strap, honey, because if this thing is not long enough, I don't know. Because I do carry my Marc Jacobs crossbody. Surely do. So let's put this on. the longest setting. Girl, come on. Hard to get this together. Because, yeah, I'm not the tallest person. Like, for real, for real. I'm just average height. But they be hating on us. Average height, girl. So if you are a stallion, like, for real, it's like they want you to carry everything top handle. No. If it's meant to be crossbody, it should be crossbody for all. So let me see. Girl, no. I can already tell. Sis. Let me. So the strap is a no. A no, no, no. You need to be like 5'4" and shorter, 5'3" for this to be crossbody. So let me know y'all comments down in the comment section about this bag. This is not a true crossbody. So you will have to only carry this top handle only. So you have to either carry it like this, or you have to carry it like this only. $850. Let me know. Because right about now it's giving, get your money back, sis. And just be happy with this and this. That's really what this is giving. We're going to sit with this for 3 days. We're going to see if this crease can come out. And if so, you know, I'll let y'all know in a couple of days if I decide to keep it or not. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all later.